Let's go to the questions of Irene. Julia, are you happy?
Ang hirap pahabain pa, pero super yes po. This year is really a blessing to me, and this film is really a gift, God's gift sa akin.
And even in life,
Yes po.
you are happy. Richard, ano yung tanong, Irene?
Are you at peace?
Am I at peace?
Ang ganda, no? Are you at peace?
I think in every emotion or in every state of mind that you want to be in, it's a choice, Tito Boy. So I choose to be at peace.
Jules, if you have a question for Alden, ano yun?
Yung tanong din po sa akin ni Direk Irene, kasi Alden is successful na lahat yata ng mga ginugoals niya, na-achieve niya. But are you happy?
Yes. In all these things that you want to do, make sure that you want it because you want it. Not someone told you na, kunin mo yan kasi okay dyan. Dito ka, dito ka, dito ka. Parang we are now at our age na we can make our own choices. And yung passion mo to be somewhat, kahit a peck of a dust ka lang sa buong universe, is you wanna make the life that you have purposeful. You know,
Strong
so
word. Yeah.
I am very much
Okay.
happy.
Ang tanong mo para kay Julia.
You've been always telling people na sobrang laki ng impact namin ni Direk Irene sa buhay mo. Bakit mo kami hinayaan magkaroon ng ganong effect sa buhay mo, Julia Montes? Or marashnit ka?
Hindi, yung gaya ng sinabi ko po before, may gift ako na parang gut feel, binibigay ni Lord. And parang this time, first time po talaga, Tito Boy, na mag-trust ako ng ganito. At pinapasok ko talaga sila sa buhay ko without me thinking na magiging friend ko ba talaga sila until the end of this film. Wala nang ganon. Parang sa kanila talaga, you jump, I jump, ganon yung nangyari. Kaya very special, saka iba talaga yung naging connection.
Okay. Magpapakita ho tayo ng isang eksena.
Ayan na!
Nais po namin malaman kung paano nila ito ginawa ni Direk Irene at paano in-execute as actors ni Richard at saka ni Julia. Narito po, watch this.
Kanina ka pa.
Sandali, ako kanina pa? Bakit? Napaka-insensitive mo eh.
Group study nga. Hindi na namin namalayan yung oras. Ano pa ba gusto mong marinig?
Ganyan ka namang palagi eh.
Talaga, palagi?
Oo, palagi. Bakit hindi ba? Ako sa'yo. Pumunta ka dito, drunk, having just...
Having just what? I only had a few drinks. Hindi ako lasing. Just what?
Kilala kita.
Then say it! Having just...
That woman!
Pag-usapan natin yan.
Yes po.
Direk, di ba?
Ganun lang.
Kinigaya ko yung acting ko sa dulo.
Was this one of the first scenes na Kinunan?
Kinunan, yes po.
kwentuhan niyo kami?
Yung prep namin at sa script reading and workshop is, yun yung nakatulong. Tapos, yun, magaling sila eh. So, pasok agad.
Oh, how'd you do it? Andun na kayo eh, no?
Andun agad.
Yun, pumapasok po ulit dun yung trust, saka generous yung co-actor mo. So, sasabay ka lang po. Yung sinabi ko po last time na kung ano yung binabato niya, sasagot ka lang. And then, yun nga, sobrang giving.
Ang feeling ko po kasi nun, actually direct with Jules, when I do scenes with her, especially that first part, sasaluhin niya ako, sasaluhin ko siya. Tapos sunod-sunod yun po. Walang nalalaglag.
Dahil connected,
Apo.
tapos parehong nagbibigay, suwabe. Suwabe po.